We are embarking on a fascinating journey to discover the power of artificial intelligence in crafting your ideal customer avatar. That's right, we're taking a game-changing approach that leverages the power of AI to deeply understand and visualize your perfect audience. And the cherry on top, I'm thrilled to share my exclusive free AI avatar worksheet with you. You can find a link in the description below. And this tool is designed to help guide you through the process, making it super easy and incredibly insightful into your ideal customer. You'll find the link right below, so grab it after the video. Or even better, grab it first and then you can walk along step by step with me through this video. And in less than 10 minutes, you'll have your ideal avatar and you can use that to seed AI to get better and better outputs. Imagine having a crystal clear picture of who you're speaking to in your marketing efforts. From their interests and challenges to their deepest desires and fears, AI can help you paint a detailed portrait, ensuring your message hits home every time. So whether you're crafting content, developing products, or planning campaigns, knowing your avatar is key. And with AI, it's not only possible, it's easily within reach. So are you ready to revolutionize the way you connect with your audience? Let's dive in and unlock the secrets to identifying your ideal avatar with the help of the AI Avatar Worksheet. So don't forget to hit like and subscribe and ring the bell so you never miss out on the tools and tips you need to succeed. Your journey to marketing mastery starts now. All right, so here we go. If you haven't gotten access to the AI Avatar Worksheet, please find that in the description below and follow these simple instructions. First, you're going to open up the document, and then you're going to copy and paste the whole thing into another Word doc or Google Doc. The second part is fill in the blanks for your elevator pitch. And now these don't have to be in any specific order. There's an elevator pitch formula. You just fill in these blanks. It's very simple. The first line says, our business is blank. So who are you? What is your company? What's the name of it? The second part of the fill in the blank is, we serve blank. So that would be, we serve a specific kind of person in one or two sentences. Think about how you're helping this person here. Our product or service is, fill in the blank. Think about the specific things that your company does. What benefits do you offer to your ideal client? Fill in the blank. So think about how you help them. What problems do you solve? How do you entertain them? How do you educate them? What do they get out of it? What are the deep, deep benefits to your product or service? My example is, we are BuzzBrew Media newsletter, and we serve coffee-loving entrepreneurs who want to embrace and use AI in their business. We empower entrepreneurs by sharing AI tips, tech and marketing strategies, which may include newsletters, social media, interviews, e-commerce, AI, SEO, etc. We also share coffee news, and I'm going to add humor to that too. So part 3 is you're going to copy and paste your finely written elevator pitch and paste it down here into the underneath part 4 section, right here where this blue is. Then after that, I would also like you to copy and paste this entire document here. And then we're going to hop over to Chat GPT. You can use a different AI tool. You might use Jasper. You might use something completely different. You might use Scalebot or something else. But I'm using Chat GPT 4 in this instance. So what we're going to do now is we're going to paste that into the message area. Scroll down to the bottom, and then we're going to simply click this black arrow that says Send Message. Now I'm using Chat GPT 4 that has image creating capabilities. Chat GPT 3.5 is perfect for if you just want words. So you can see here, Chat is coming up with my basic avatar information. Now you can dig a little deeper. You can actually dig a lot deeper into your customer avatar, but this is going to give you the basics. Our person's name is Alex Barista. It's a guy from Seattle. He's 32. He's an entrepreneur and he has a coffee shop. Awesome. He has a business degree in administration. He's engaged, doesn't have kids. He likes reading about tech. He likes hiking and coffee brewing. He likes the Lean Startup and Wired. He likes watching Shark Tank and the Social Network. He likes to read Sprudge, Medium, and TechCrunch. He likes LinkedIn for professional content and Instagram for coffee and personal interests. And AI is also going to give you their primary goals, their primary challenges, secondary challenges. He wants to use AI in his coffee business and start new tech ventures. It's pretty amazing how much work you had to do, which was basically write a couple sentences to get all of this customer information here on your ideal avatar. It talks about values and fears. He's afraid he's going to fall behind in technology. He's failing to engage his customers online. He's afraid of that too. He wants to have a tech-forward coffee brand that's recognized nationwide. Now this guy's got some big dreams and goals, which is awesome. And hopefully AI and whatever you're serving can help your community, your customers, and your potential customers. Now if you're B2B, it's also going to give you business-to-business information here. It also gives you some personal insights. A great quote for this company for us would be, "Innovation is brewing in every cup of coffee. You just need to taste it." Elevator pitch, BuzzBrew Media is your digital barista, serving up the hottest AI and marketing strategies, all steeped in coffee culture to supercharge your entrepreneurial journey. Wow, that's hard to say. The marketing message is, join Alex and the rest of the coffee-preneuring community at BuzzBrew Media. Here we blend the rich flavors of coffee culture with the electrifying world of AI and tech to help your business thrive in the digital age. Subscribe now and let's start brewing your success story. I love this. This is website copy that we can just pull right out and put onto our website. So that's it for this specific video, and I'm so excited that you're here, and please let me know in the comments below what you think about the customer avatar worksheet and using AI to get your ideal avatar information. I can't wait to see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time.